Have you ever faced a situation where your app just doesn't load the right components? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you've been struggling with lazy loading modules in Angular, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue: importing modules without routes. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your application doesn't behave as expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers encounter similar issues when dealing with lazy loading and module imports in Angular. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my classroom module only show the profile component when I navigate to it?" They shared their code setup, and it seems like the profile module's route configuration is interfering with the classroom module. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this issue? When lazy loading modules, if the routes are not configured correctly, it can lead to unexpected behavior, like loading the wrong component. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your Angular modules more effectively. To address the user's issue, we need to adjust the routing configuration in the classroom module. The user should ensure that the profile module is not directly imported into the classroom module. Next, the user should modify the classroom module's routing to include a child route for the profile component. This way, the profile component will only load when navigating to the appropriate path. Now, the user should ensure that the profile module's route is set up correctly. This means that the profile component should be defined as a child route within the profile module. Finally, the user can test the application by navigating to the classroom route. This should now correctly display the classroom component without automatically loading the profile component. Fun fact: did you know that Angular was originally developed by Google? It's come a long way since its inception, and with great power comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to routing. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that to avoid routing issues, you should import your routing module at the very beginning of your ng module. This means placing it right after the common module. This way, it ensures that the routing configuration is prioritized correctly. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests inverting the position of the imports in the classroom module. By placing the router module configuration before the profile module import, you can prevent the profile component from being displayed when navigating to the classroom route. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your modules organized and consider using shared modules for common components. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to resolve your module loading issues in Angular. Remember, keeping your code organized is key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Angular routing techniques.